So today I'm going to show you how to order a brand new PayPal business debit card, whether you need to replace yours or yours got lost or stolen. So we're here on the homepage of our PayPal account, and the section we want to go to is right over here under Finance. You can click the right-hand arrow over here. It's going to bring a drop-down menu for you, and one of those options here is going to be the PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. Let's go ahead and click on this option. And from right over here, you can see this is your PayPal Business Debit MasterCard, and on the right-hand side of that is going to request a debit card. Let's go ahead and click on this option. And right over here, before you go ahead and click on continue, make sure your shipping address right over here is correct. There is an update address section over here if you absolutely needed to change that. And make sure that you have that checked off for the agreeing of the terms for the cardholder agreement if you do agree. And if everything else looks good, let's go ahead and click on continue. Now right over here, it's going to ask you to go ahead and set a PIN for this card. You're going to go ahead and put in a 4-digit PIN as well as confirming that PIN and then click on continue. Now right over here is going to showcase that your new debit card is going to be shipped. And some other great news too is that you also do get access to a digital card with the same PIN that you just created. So if you need to use it quicker, you do have access to that as well now. Now I do have more to show you when it comes to running your small business on your PayPal business account. We're going to post another video right over here on screen so you can keep on learning.